Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you an easy way to install a zipper to a skirt. So this is a skirt and this is the zip that you're going to be putting. So you're going to put the zip like this. Okay, so when you put it in like this, you turn it and then you use the pin to secure it. And this folded edge that you've already ironed, you just pin it down. Then you bring the zip in a little, so that then you let here match up with the middle like this. Okay, and use a pin to hold it in place. Okay, so we're going to sew from here to here. We'll close the zipper and then continue sewing. So let's sew, making sure not to sew on the teeth, and then you close it. Just cut out the excess thread. Here like this. So the next thing now is to sew the other side. So to do that, you just turn it like this. You open the zip and then you pin it down too. Let it be at the edge of where you ironed. Then you close it like this. Okay. So after pinning like that, you close the zipper. Then you sew. When you sew to this point, you open the zip and then continue. So we fold this to the back and stitch. Repeat simply. So that is how to install a zipper. This is Joy Dala Fashion Guide. Ensure to subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. See you again in another video.